What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the 710 Performance YouTube channel. Hope you all are having a great day. Today we are redoing the bike that we did last week that is vintage yellow and satin black. And then we do have wheels that are going polar white later this week. But let's go ahead and jump on this. We know where we need to go ahead and tape for the yellow. Every part was good except for one part, so we're gonna be able to fix this right up. Let's go ahead and jump into this.
Perfect.
Okay, so it's going in the oven at 400 degrees until it gels out, plus about 50 to 70% of the cure time. This way it makes it a little bit more cured, so when we put the tape on it and heat it for the black, it doesn't leave marks on it. Okay, so this is where we made a mistake before. We actually went a little bit too low on that line right here. So we're gonna go ahead and tape this all off again. And this time, we're gonna make sure we get it right. We did let this cool down already, so it is at approximately 85 degrees.
Perfect. Perfect.
We have our system set to hard to reach places. It also works pretty good for second coats. We'll more than likely just spray the whole thing on this setting because it works real good with bikes. We've never had no issue with it. So let's get to rocking.
That's a song right there. You're not gonna go good.
Great setup you have.
Thank you.